Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning to another video. So today is day 8 of the small account challenge. And if you guys want to join me on this journey, please smash that subscribe button and give me some thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button, please. But anyways, today I traded 2 stocks today. I traded the IPO that opened today, which was MOB, and I also traded drug. DRUG. DRUG been going up very strong for the past couple of days with nice volume and nice momentum. So I decided to take a swing at it, right? So today I'm closing the day up around, I said $58 and some change. Yeah, $58 and some change, yes. So base hit, nothing crazy. Wish it would have went up more, drug, but it eventually fell off. But anyways, we're gonna do the recap. If you guys did good today, go in the comment section. Let me know how you guys did today. Did you guys make some money? Did you guys lose some money? Like I said, guys, remember, losing is a part of what we deal with in the market. It's just how you manage your risk and your loss. So don't feel upset if you're losing money, right? But anyways, this is gonna be my third green day back to back. Like I say, consistency is key. For you to be profitable in this market, you have to have risk management and also be consistent. Okay, let's go to the computer. So anyways, right now, as you can see, we're looking at MOB, but let's go to the beginning. Let's go to the beginning of time. So we went to drug. Overall, the market wasn't as strong as I wanted to be. As you know, overall, let's go to SPY. SPY been going down. It's been going down. Let's look at the daily chart. So daily chart, we're gonna look at the daily chart right here. You know, we did have a rally up within this area, came up and now slowly pulling back. How far it's gonna go back, I don't know, but it did bounce and I think it's gonna eventually go back up, but it's gonna take some time to get there. But anyway, let's get back to business. And I was very shocked about AMC. I woke up and I saw AMC down. I'm like, wow. But I'm still an ape. I'm still an ape. Anyways, let's go to drug, right? So the first one I traded was drug. I was looking. The first thing I did this morning, I woke up at like around, what? I think it was 8 o'clock. Started looking at my scanners. Didn't see nothing really crazy that I was interested in. There was some movers like SSY. What else I had on my watch list? I had, give me a second. I had SSY, I had NERV, I had Longevron, LGVN, I had GCT, drug, and apron, APRN. But yeah, nothing really looked good to me. But anyway, so I knew that drug was consistent in terms of going up in the last past couple of days, and I wanted to take a trade on it. So this happened right here. It came up, and when it came up, I wasn't sure if it was gonna do well, but it went up, and I was looking for entry on a pullback. So drug I traded at 11.13, right, at 268 with 214 shares, right? So that was at 11.13. Let's go to the 1-minute chart and look at the entry. So 11.13, which was around here somewhere. 11.13. So right here, 11.13, I took this trade and I got in at 268. So I got in 268 right around here. If you look at the cross here, it's 268. And then I took the trade all the way up to 276. So 276 around here. And I took the profit of what? I think it was, so it was a profit of $17, right? But then that's before commission. After commission, I was left with $7. So it was a base hit, nothing really, crazy, but a win is a win. So I took that and I was very calm and collective. I was cool with it. And the reason why I was cool with it is because drug was over here was very choppy. And as you can see, it could not break up in this price range around like $295. And then after a while, it just ripped and slipped. I don't know who took this trade, who got burnt, but I know a lot of people got hurt thinking that drug was going to go up and retest. And don't get me wrong, drug was holding up very strong. You could have got a couple dip trades on drug during this time around 10 to 10:30. Well, not 10:30, but around 9 45 to like 10:15. You could have got a lot of dip buys on this because every time it dipped, it always went up and it was holding up very strong. Then finally it got tired and then it slipped and broke all the way down. So when it came over here to my entry, all I was looking to do was just get a quick scalp. I was not looking to hold because based on this right here, this is just showing a lot of weakness, but there was still some strength in it. This is why it curved. It went all the way to almost 240 and basically curled all the way back up to 260, broke VWAP. The VWAP is this purple dash line, went over it, came back. Once I seen this, that it went over VWAP, and based on the move from 240 all the way back to like around 280, I'm like, okay, there's some strength coming back in the play, but I was still skeptical about the stock because of this move right here, right? So I got in at, like I said, 268, got in 268 and took a quick scalp all the way at 276, right? So that was 17, then that's before commission. After commission, I was left with like $7 and some change. The next trade I took was MOB. I was listening to my news platform. And it came up and they were saying that MOB was a newly IPO. And I was like, let's check it out, because recently a lot of stocks been going up crazy on the fact that it was a fresh IPO stock, right? So I kept an eye on it. When I was looking at it, it was kind of choppy down here, and I marked this line right here as resistant, and I had a feeling as soon as price break over 428, it was going to go up strong. That was just my assumption, and obviously the assumption was correct, because as soon as it broke through, I'm gonna go to the 1 minute chart so you guys can see it. As soon as it broke through, it ripped. Just ripped. And I had my size ready at that price, but I was too late. I was too late to the party, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to chase it. And it's always good to not chase, because you can always be the one. It could be in that space where you get in at the top, and then guess what? Everything just falls all the way back down. So it started ripping, and then it got halted at at 489. Got halted, then resume at what is this? It opened up at 510, went down a little bit, hit a low of 5, and then went straight back up, halted again. Opened up, reopened at 582, went down to the low of 570, and went all the way back up. Then finally, what happened? It couldn't go no more. Dip all the way back down. So when I seen that dip, I was a little bit cautious. But then after I seen this candle and it looked this strong, it bounced it off the 9 EMA and the VWAP, and it came all the way back up. So after a while seeing this consolidation, I'm like, okay, this still look like it have some juice in the, still have some gas. And I was keeping my eye very keenly on it. I was looking at it, and then eventually I decided to get in at 589. This was at 1153. So around 1153, around here, like around 1153, around here, I was looking at it, and let's go on the 1 minute chart. 1153. So like around here, I got it on the entry right here at the price of 589. So 589, my entry was very good. So I got in at 589, anticipating the break. So I got in, and it broke, and then it kind of calmed down a little bit, and then eventually it started slowly stepping down. I was not panicking, because in my head I'm thinking, okay, this is just people, selling their shares or taking profit in a sense. and it was on light volume. I think it was around here. It was on light volume, and eventually started going up, and it was having a hard time going above basically 6. So I was waiting for the break of 6, anticipating the break of 6, and every time it kept hitting it, it came back down. It tried to retest it, came back down. And then eventually we got that rip, broke through 6, and went all the way to a high of 646. I took an early exit at let's see, at 632, around here. I left a little bit on the table, but I was perfectly fine with my exit. The reason why is because, as you can see, came all the way up here and then went all the way back down, right? And I had a feeling that it might do that. I was hoping maybe we could have catch a halt going up, but it didn't happen in that, in my favor, which is perfectly fine, no problem. But I took some profit, got out early, and slowly it started to go a little bit back up, and it retested that 650, and then after that it slowly kind of went down, and now it was just grinding on the the VWAP and the 9 EMA. So that was really about it, guys. Only 2 trades today, 2 trades. I'm very glad that I took these trades. I'm glad I made some profits. I'm ending the day today with $41.21. That's because of the commission. So before commission is $58.98. After commission is $41.20. I'm cool with that. Base hits, like I say, small account challenge. So remember, guys, if you want to join the Key Life gang, Key Life trading gang, you already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out. Join me on my journey. And remember, guys, you can leave me comments. You could give me criticism. I'm okay with constructive criticism. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Tell me how you guys feel, what you guys see that I could do better. Tell me how you traded today. What stocks you traded today? But leave it in the comment section, guys. Please like, subscribe. It's Key Life Trading. I'm out. Peace.